to become a maid, you don't need a whole lot of educational experience. It's really just, trial and error type experience, life experience. I think what makes a good maid is somebody who pays very close attention to detail and to the small things that maybe, another company or maybe a homeowner wouldn't necessarily think of. But when it's done, they really notice it and really it makes a difference. A lot of it is, like I said, trial and error. It's work experience. It's figuring out what your client, what they like, different techniques on how you clean windows, what types of products to use. Those are just things that you really you try, and if it doesn't work out, you try something new. So a lot of it is trial and error. One of the things that that maybe you could do for training to become a maid would be, even just cleaning of buildings, that you work at, something like that, where you have to clean the countertops, you have to mop the floors, you have to vacuum, things like that. Really, that's kind of the experience that you need to be a maid. So where you can go as a maid, really, it's limitless. There's you don't think so much about a maid having a lot of, growth potential, but there really is. You can do, hotel type cleaning. You can do new construction cleaning. You can do existing home cleaning, really anything like that. And also the really great thing is you don't have to always work for someone else. You can start your own business fairly easily, being a maid and really boost your income potential there as well.